Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today a very easy recipe, crème brûlée. You're gonna see it better in photos. It's super easy and it's amazing. I mean, I can't stress enough how good this recipe is, so you definitely have to try it. I'm sorry if you hear some noises in the house. So that's it. I'll just leave you with the recipe and some photos, and as always, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do and leave me a comment down below. Thank you again and enjoy the video. Bye!
So we're gonna start by taking a pot like this one and putting a cup of heavy cream in it and put it on the fire medium heat. Then you'll add 5 spoons of whole milk, and on the side you'll take 5 egg yolks and add 5 spoons of sugar and mix everything together. I chose to flavor it with vanilla, but you can choose whatever flavor you want. Put some lemon zest or orange or some berries, whatever you like. So I take half of a bean of vanilla, cut it in half and just take the seeds that are inside, but you can obviously just use a regular essence or extract or whatever you might call it. I add it to the egg yolks and sugar, mix again everything together, and once the heavy cream with the milk is finally boiling, we pour everything on top of it. After we mix everything together again, I just pour it in another container that is gonna make easier pour the whole liquid into the crème brûlée containers, which are called ramekins or ramekin. I'm not really sure about the pronunciation in English. We're gonna have to bake it in the oven in a container like this one and put at least 2 fingers of water like you see here in the video. We're gonna put it in the oven at 320 Fahrenheit for at least 45 minutes. You're gonna see when it's baked, it looks like this. It's not like scrambled eggs, so don't over bake it. The doughs that I'm giving you obviously are for 5 crème brûlées, as you can see here. And all the doughs I'm giving you, you can find it in grams and Celsius in the description box down below. After we took it out of the oven, we're just gonna take it out of the water and let it cool down. After it's not hot anymore, we put it in the fridge for at least 2 hours. Once the crème brûlées are cooled down, we're gonna take them back, and before serving them, we're just gonna do the fun part, which is caramelizing the top. We're gonna put a spoon of brown sugar, make an even layer of sugar on top, and then we're gonna take a torch with a medium flame and we're gonna torch the top. As you can see here in the video, it's gonna take a little experience, but it's not hard, I promise. Now I'm decorating it with some berries and a little mint leaf, but obviously you can do whatever you like. You could just serve it like that, add more fruit or strawberries or whatever other thing you might like. The recipe is over. As you can see, it's super easy and it's delicious. I hope you enjoyed it, and as always, if you didn't subscribe to my channel, please do, and I'll see you very soon with a new video. Bye!